Hey, third graders, today is Monday the 26th. It's getting close to Halloween. So we are going to be in our homework and remembering book today, and we're going to be on page 69 and 70. It's actually called 1-11 as well. Okay, up here, you can see that. All right, so today it's a little bit new, but not really. I think you guys are going to do great. They want us to make a rectangle drawing to represent each exercise. Okay, I want you to do your best drawing that you can. I know sometimes when you're doing the squares, it's hard. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to draw a line like this in between these, because otherwise the drawings get kind of confused. Okay, so we have 3 spots now to show. So we're doing 5 times 9 equals, you know your 5s, right? Count by 5s. 5 times 9 is 45. Now, the drawing that we're going to do, it says make a rectangle drawing. Okay, so you're going to make a rectangle here. Mrs. Hagen did not do the best job on the picture here because you can see my book is kind of curved. So I need to have 5 rows going down the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 5 spaces. Draw those across. And then it's 5 times 9. And you can see my lines aren't perfect either, okay? So now I have to have 9 going down. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it's actually 8 lines and 9 spaces, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 9 spaces. It ends up being tiny little, Mrs. Hagen's having a hard time even on here. All right, just like that. So you're showing 5 times 9, okay? Remember when we did the arrays too, okay? That's actually the hardest one because these other 2 rectangles don't have quite as many. Okay, because on this next one, it's 3. You're always going to do the rectangle. In fact, you can draw both of those in right now. 3 times 6 and 3 times 9. So 3 times 6 means I'm going to have 3 here and 6 here. Okay, so 3 isn't too bad, right? I just have to have 3 spaces. And then I have to have 6 across the top. So what I like to do when there's 6, I like to draw a line right in the middle. Okay, and then I'm going to do 2 lines on each side, okay? And then I can show 3 times 6. And put your answer here and finish out that last rectangle by yourself, okay? Then on the bottom section, it says Ashley, right here, drew this large rectangle, which is made up of 2 small rectangles, okay? You can see that. She's got this one and then the big one, okay? The big one goes all the way down, okay? And then there's a little line right here that's dividing it into 2. Okay, so let's look at our questions for that. Find the area of the large rectangle, which is made up of 2 small rectangles. So we're going to take by adding the 2 small rectangles. Okay, so let's look at our 2 small ones. We have 5 times 3. Okay, let's do that one. I'm going to put that in parentheses. 5, I'm going to use a different color. That does not show up very good. 5 times 3, parentheses, plus, what's our other triangle? Our other rectangle is 4, and our bottom number is 3, so 4 times 3, parentheses, 4. This Apple Pencil is being difficult today. Hopefully yours is neater than mine, plus 4 times 3, so now I've got the 2 small rectangles done, right? So I'm going to now look at what I have. I have 5 times 3, okay, which is 15. And then I have 4 times 3, which is 12. Okay, and if I add those together, 15 plus 12 You can do that over here if you would like. 15, oh, missed a second. 15 plus 12, and add that up to get your answer. And then our label is going to be square units, okay, because we have the little squares, okay. We are going to skip number 5, and you just have a couple of just multiplication problems there, okay. Do those on the bottom, and then meet me on page 70. Pause here if you want to finish this page first. All right, here we are on page 70. We're on our remembering side. I'm going to let you do all of the facts on the top by yourself. This section right here. Down here, you just have a couple of basic story problems, very easy, okay? Those could be times or divide, okay? Typically, yep, I'm not going to say any more than that. Those are going to be times or divide. And then down here, we are going to do find the total number by starting with the third count by. We did this before on another page. Okay, so we need to add up our how many groups we have, or how many triangles we have in this big triangle. Count your triangles. Okay, did you get 9? Okay, and then every time I go up, I'm going to add 3. So 9 plus 3 more would be here, and then add another 3, and then another 3, and then another 3, okay? And stretch your thinking is extra credit. All right, happy Monday to you guys.